Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Shaun in Michigan on this Galaxy DX98 VHP. Shaun, got you ready to go, bud? Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. We said we're going to go down to 4 watts for you so you have full adjustability. Average power swing. I'm sorry, I'll show you the RF power all the way up. 40 watts. Now average power swing. Roll. 100 watts in the corner. Let's go over the 250 watt slug and average. Roll. About 125, 126 average. Peak power. Roll. 1, 2, 3. Low. So we're just pegging out the 250 watt scale. So we're looking at 260 or so. Alright, Shaun, it's ready to go, bud. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to get this up to you. And if you haven't checked out my page, check out our new website, truckscbsales.com. Enjoy. Bump bump.